Now, I'm standing near the bridge deck of the number 1 beam yard of the Jakarta-Bandung high-speed railway, where the beam erection begins. Currently, 2 or 3 beams are hoisted from here every day to extend to the railway lines on both sides. Indonesian President Joko Widodo recently visited this beam yard to inspect the development of the construction of Jakarta-Bandung high-speed railway. During his visit, he highly appreciated the progress made in the construction. Since the construction of the Jakarta-Bandung high-speed railway started in June 2018, the total work has finished 73%, and civil work of the whole line accounts for 83%. Meanwhile, 8 from 13 tunnels of the whole line have been penetrated, and the continuous beam and frame piers of most key sections have been completed. The main roadbed, bridges, tunnel, station, housing construction, and other projects proceed smoothly and orderly. The Jakarta-Bandung high-speed railway is constructed by a joint venture consortium between Chinese and Indonesian state-owned firms PT Kereta Cepat Indonesia China or PT KCIC. Its President Director, Dwiana Slamet Riyadi, said the first bullet train is expected to operate by the end of next year.
Jadi saya berpikir bahwa ini satu kerjasama yang win-win ya. Pemerintah Cina sendiri memberikan semacam loan lewat CDP kepada proyek ini. Di sisi yang lain juga pemerintah Cina lewat BUMN Cina, baik BUMN konstruksi maupun operator railway dalam hal ini Cina Railway, itu memberikan semacam program-program training, kemudian nanti akan ada transfer knowledge, transfer skill dan segala macam. Ini akan memberikan nilai tambah yang besar untuk kami di Indonesia. Sehingga saya berpikir setelah kereta api cepat Jakarta-Bandung nantinya beroperasi, di Asia Tenggara kami ada di depan nih dalam teknologi itu, dan kami tidak akan kalah dengan negara-negara maju lainnya.